Hi, this is Dennis Hawkins in Japan, and this is Phase 3 of the Google Doc tutorial. In Phase 1, I showed you a Google Docs with only the text. In Phase 2, it's the same doc, except now images have been added. Today is Phase 3, and in Phase 3, we put ourselves in the video frame of this video. All right, let's watch it. Let's carry on through here. All right, so the topic is health and wellness. And the question is, what about it? So we have some emojis here, with that kind of a expression. All right, now we're going to talk about first customer concerns. And it says, does the product satisfy the needs of many? For example, from the age of 3 to 93. Is it a product that provides all natural, rapid results? In other words, no drugs, no chemicals. Is it near the $100 range for a 1-month supply, which a person would probably order on AutoShip? Does it come with a 12-month or more expiration date? Okay, now, are there testimonials from customers over the years that talk about their satisfaction from using the product? Do doctors and nurses accept the use of this product for their patients? Does the product come with 0 side effects? And can we get a 30-day money-back 100% guarantee based on our satisfaction from using this product? Yes or no? Now, does each customer have a high degree of motivating factor to use the product and also to continue using the product? Is the product enhanced periodically? In other words, more and more value and potency is added to this all-natural, rapid healing, reverse aging product? Is this product available around the world? In other words, in 100 countries or more? Now, this is very important. Is the product protected by patents worldwide so that your competition cannot move in and steal your secrets? Is the product reviewed by reputable sources? Has the product been in its growth phase for at least 5 years and continues to keep right on growing? All right, now, does this product have proven reverse aging results? And are those results listed in published studies and research journals? As a business builder, your major concern is how much competition is in the market. In this case, there is 0. All right, thanks for watching Phase 3 of this Google Docs tutorial. You can contact me on Facebook. My information is in the description. If we're not friends already, please send me a friend request and say in the friend request, saw your video. Look forward to speaking to you soon.